What's up guys, welcome to new Unreal Engine 5 tutorial. Today I'm going to show you how to make a super smooth camera movement with literally no code in Unreal Engine 5. It's going to be a very easy video to follow, so let's get started. Alright, so first of all, let's go into first person blueprints and open up our first person blueprint. Now of course you can use whatever CAD blueprint you're using. So normally in our first person games, we just have the camera basically not really attached into anything. But what we're going to do is use this very good trick. I'm going to go ahead and add over here, just in the root, a spring arm. Okay, normally what we use for the third person games, yeah. But the thing is that this spring arm will give us an utility, a tool that we'll use to make it super smooth. So you'll see in a second. Alright, so our camera is basically in this exact position. Let's go ahead and basically put it in the spring arm. So we can just copy and then go spring arm and just paste this position, so we're there, and then we can just get the first person camera and drag it inside the spring arm, then get the first person camera, the spring arm, and the first person camera, make sure that the location rotation is just at 0, 0, 0, 0, and then in the spring arm I set the length into 0. So it'll be basically right now like it was before. Okay, right now there is absolutely no change, but what we're going to do is go and in the first person camera disable the use palm control rotation, but enable it in the spring arm. So now the movement will be controlled by the spring arm itself. Right now there's no difference, okay? But what we're going to do is use this really cool tool that I just mentioned that a spring arm has. And we search for lag, we will have these things. And what I'm going to do is enable camera rotation lag. The thing is that lag is basically, like you can see here, if through the camera lags behind the target rotation to smooth its movement. It's basically adding a bit of a kind of a delay, but making a smooth transition into that delayed target. So you'll see better in a second. So for example, if we put this to 7, okay, and then I were to press play, maybe of course in the video you will not notice it, but look, already the camera is very smooth, and probably the guys that you're testing this will be like, wow, this feels really good, and it does feel really good. Now, the lower this value is, for example, if I put it to 1, the smoother it will be and the longer it will take. For example, now right now it is super smooth, too smooth. Okay, you cannot really play, but the bigger it is, the more normal it is, let's say, less smooth, and the more snappy it is. For example, if I set to 20, I would not really feel any difference from the how it was at the beginning. Still, there's a smooth, but you know, less than before. So really, you can play with these values to get what you want. Okay, so for example here, that really feels really good, and this is an effect that I have been using for my bodycam testing. So probably a video will be coming out soon on that, maybe in a tutorial. Let me know in the comments if you want to see that about bodycam, like animations, camera movement and everything. But yeah, you can really play with this stuff. Now make sure again that you enable camera rotation lag and you change the camera rotation lag speed value, not the other one, because and enable the other one, because if not it will be off the positions instead of rotation. So that's it guys. If you found this tutorial helpful, I would really appreciate if you could like the video and subscribe to my channel. I have lots of Unreal Engine 5 tutorials, so go ahead and check them out. Join my Discord server, and now yes, with all that said, bye bye.